All right, let's practice together. All right, so this list is the list of properties of water. You have to tell which one is chemical, which one is physical property. Okay, the first one, it normally freezes at 0 degrees. Oh, this is the freezing point, right? And before freezing and after freezing, water is still water. It doesn't change its chemical identity. So this is a physical property of water. Next one, B, it is useful for putting out most fire. Well, what property is this? This is a flammability test, right? So if water is flammable or not, so drop into fire, right? So this is chemical property. A cork floats on it, but a piece of copper sinks. That's a density of water, right? This is the density. Well, the density, water is still water, it doesn't change. So this is a chemical, physical. And during digestion, starch reacts with water to form sugar. Well, reaction. This is a reactivity or chemical, chemical reactivity. Totally, chemical property of water. Okay. All right, let's try. Let's guess real quick. So is frying an egg a physical or chemical change? Yeah, physical or chemical property. This is actually chemical property. All right. So it easy to see right here. So the property has changed tremendously. The raw eggs, if you look at the egg white, it's transparent, right? But after adding heat, we cooked it, the egg white changes to become opaque. Right, so the light cannot pass through it. This chemical property changes for sure. All right, so this is a chemical property. All right, of course, before it's an egg, after it's an egg, but the chemical property changes. Okay, so this is the egg white right here is not really the egg white, that the one that's transparent in the raw egg anymore. Okay, now melting chocolate, chemical or physical property. Well, think about this. If you eat chocolate, then you melt it and you eat it. Does it taste different? No, it's still chocolate. Some of you say, yeah, it tastes different. Actually, no. The before and after heating chocolate is still chocolate. Okay, so this one doesn't change. So this is melting point basically. Physical changes, physical property. Cutting papers. Before cutting and after cutting, paper is still paper. Physical change. Burning paper. Oh, totally changes, right? So paper, after burning, it becomes ashes. They're totally different, not a paper anymore. So this is a chemical property. And actually, the carbon in paper, when you burn it, become carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this is chemical property. And iron becomes rust. Is rust has the same property as iron? No. And even rust is more like crumble. Right? It can crumble. You can break it, but just do well. I mean, it's not as hard and durable as iron. Okay, so these are chemical changes. Right, and you would learn it later that the formula of rust is Fe2O3, iron 3 oxide. Okay, it's not an iron anymore. It's a compound, not an element. All right, that's pretty much the whole thing. So matter, anything that has volume and mass, divided into pure substance and mixture. Okay, mixture, multiple substances. We have homogeneous, uniform, and heterogeneous, not uniform. For pure substance, just by itself, we have element, one element, or compound, multiple element. Okay. And all right, we're gonna go to let's go to the next video.